Hi everyone, my name is Shehzada Anwar and I welcome you in the day third of our 30-day challenge to be fluent in English or to learn English. Really, I promise you, if you are going to do each and everything, whatever I am sharing with you, you will be fluent in English within these 30 days. But you have to work hard, or you can say you have to work a lot. Many a time you are not working and you are expecting the amazing result. So how it is possible? A lot of people are there who are just complaining, who are mailing me, messaging me, who are saying me over the call that I'm working hard but I'm not able to speak English. So you need not to work hard. Really, you need not to work hard. You need to work very smartly. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about 4 pillars of speaking English. You all know that. Most of you know that there are 4 pillars of speaking English. That is LSWR. I mean listening, speaking, writing and reading. Let us talk about pillars. Why it is called as pillars? Pillars are a kind of structure which support the building. So LSWR are the pillar which support our spoken English, or you can say which enhances our communication. If we are going to follow all these LSWR, we will be able to speak English. As these are the pillars of spoken English, so we cannot say that reading is more important than writing or listening is more important than speaking. Each part has their own importance. But we can divide it into 2 categories or 2 groups. One is input and another is output. Whenever you are reading something or you are listening to something, you are actually giving input to your brain. By reading, you get to know. By reading and by listening, you get to know how to use the word. You actually building your vocabulary, your bank of vocabulary. And whenever you are speaking something or you are writing something, you are actually doing output. Whatever you have in your brain, you are going to output. Believe me, if you don't have anything in your mind, I mean if you don't have any input like reading and listening, so you won't be able to speak because you don't have anything. Many a time I am giving a lot of topics of to my student or to my friends. They are just saying that, hey, I am unable to speak at least for 1 minute. If I'm going to give you a topic like happiness, what is success in your life, what are the limiting beliefs, you won't be able to speak. And you are thinking that I'm not able to speak because I'm not good at English. But this is not true. If I'm going to say that, just speak it in Hindi or Urdu or whatever your mother tongue, you won't be able to speak because you don't have anything to speak. You don't have content in your mind. So for that, you have to develop a habit of reading and listening. It is actually very important. If you don't give input to your mind, how you could be able to speak? Because you don't have anything. Simply imagine output without input. Is it possible? Actually, it is not possible in any case. If you are going to apply it in physics, in your relationship, anywhere in the universe, you won't get any result if you are not getting input. And the most part is that speaking. If you are getting 1 hour out of your daily schedule, just dedicate it into speaking. Speaking is most important. A lot of people are saying that I'm working hard but I'm not able to speak English because you are not dedicating your time in a right manner, right direction. You know each and everything but you are unable to apply. Many a time you are just procrastinating. So please don't do that. If you really want to speak English, you have to speak, you have to practice. It is all about practice. Even I learned my English by reading and speaking, that's it. Even nowadays I'm not doing listening and writing, but I know, I do agree, it is very important, and I will do it for sure very soon, but nowadays I'm not doing. But I'm practicing English, I'm actually speaking. I'm thinking in English, I'm speaking English, and these are the very secrets to learn English. If you are not going to speak, how you will be able to speak English? For speaking, you have to speak. The funda is very clear, and no one is going to do for you. People will teach you, people will guide you, but you have to do by yourself. If you really want to master it, if you really want to get command over English, you have to learn it, you have to speak it, you have to do it for yourself. If you are not finding anyone to speak, I will share a lot of ideas you can practice by yourself. Till then, if you want to join my community of learning English, I am going to drop my WhatsApp group's link in the description box. You can join my community, you can join my WhatsApp group, so that you can learn English, you can speak English for free. Well, I just want to help you, I just want you to speak English. Please come up, please take charge of your life. This is your life, and this is very good chance for you. This is an opportunity for you. Many people are just waiting for a perfect time, but you know, perfect time will never come. You have to speak, you have to take charge of your life. If you really want to grow in your life, just master the speaking skill. It is actually very, very important in this world of digitalization. So please take charge of your life. So friends, that is for today. Please stay connected, keep growing. Thank you so much.